you're looking for health insurance under the Affordable Care Act for 2016, you'll be paying a bit more. The online marketplace opened yesterday. Consumer reporter Jennifer Profit explains how much more you'll be paying in the Profit Report.
We already have a lot of people not super happy about that.
Not happy because they're paying more for health insurance through the Affordable Care Act Marketplace website.
We've seen anywhere between 5 to 18% rate increases. On average, they're going to be about 10% higher than last year. So everyone is feeling that.
This is Mindy McIntosh, a licensed insurance professional in Freeland. She says higher costs are a symptom of a larger price problem.
When we take a look at now what services are costing for prescriptions, doctor treatments, hospital stays, specialists, those costs keep going up and keep rising. Therefore, so does the cost of healthcare.
With even more plans to choose from this time around, it's important to make sure your plan is right for you and that your doctors will be covered.
Everyone is feeling the crunch of higher premiums and therefore shopping a lot more and moving from company to company.
She says shopping around could save you some cash. The website offers a new calculator for determining your total true cost. And one final tip, don't forget you need to take your total household income into account when crunching those numbers.
We've seen people get hurt before in the past where they were only putting in their income, not realizing they had to put total family's income in there.
You have until mid-December to enroll if you want coverage starting January 1st. And remember, if you have no health insurance, there is a penalty. It's either 2.5% of your household income or $695 per adult and almost $350 per child. I'm Jennifer Profit for Fox 66 News.